While social media continues to speculate about the paternity drama surrounding former Big Brother Mzansi star Ashley Ogle's baby, the reality star seems to be sending a clear message as she is unbothered and focusing on her son. Ashley recently shared a heart-melting TikTok video cuddling and kissing baby Kenzo, playfully saying she might eat him up, and fans quickly shifted their attention from the controversy to the pure love between mother and child. Despite ongoing talk involving her former housemate, Sweet Guluva, and questions about whether he has met his alleged son, Ashley appears determined to control her own narrative by proudly showing up as a devoted mom, from a lavish baby shower that reportedly included a luxury toy car and check-quiz totaling to 150k, to the flood of supportive comments assuring her that Kenzo will thrive no matter what. It's clear that Ashley is choosing peace, protection, and positivity over public drama, and social media is watching closely to see what happens next.